center in Harlem, Raya, is a wholehearted approach for every age group to make them fit. So we have our swim programs, as you can see the swimming pool. At the center here, we also have a workout room where kids, adults, seniors, everyone can work out. And we have a small coffee shop where we serve delicious yet nutritious stuff to everyone. So the program that we are coming up with is for 60 plus, for seniors. We felt that we having our expertise in fitness, nutrition and wellness, we can contribute and help to make people's lives better, especially our seniors where stability, mobility and strength becomes imperative after a certain age. We teach them and guide them and handhold them for those who do not know how to go about it. So we will be having aqua workouts, which is a low impact exercise that everyone can do. As we all know, our body is almost 90% lighter in water. So the things that we cannot do on land, whether it is doing squats, whether it is doing a little bit of hopping around, all of it can be done by all these people in the water. And for those who feel that they wish they had learned swimming, this is their opportunity as well. So it's aqua workouts and swimming as well. We have multiple trainers along with me who will be guiding them. So it's not going to be a big group that we will be one trainer. There will be multiple trainers to ensure that everyone gets the desired attention. And for those who wish to take it a notch higher and whenever they struggle with getting into the water, we also have the workout room where we will be doing a lot of isometric exercises to build their core muscles and slowly by step and steadily bring their fitness levels up to a level where their daily routine life becomes much better. They have more energy, they have more strength, and they lead a better and a happy life.
This will be free for the senior citizens.
So this is free for the senior citizens. This is like a pilot project. We are taking this on for the month of February and we will then see how it goes forward. We would want them to be consistent because not only because of the fitness reasons, we also would like them to enjoy each other's company. Now everyone has heard about the blue zones across the world where we are talking about longevity and talking about people living beyond 100 years. Two most critical points in those or common points for those zones is that people have been very physically active and very socially active as well. So these are two most important things apart from what you eat, how you sleep, the number of hours you sleep, all those are critical, but these two points are common for all these places across the globe. And we are very happy at Fit for Life that we have the facility and we have the human infrastructure to go along with the physical infrastructure. And we appreciate all those who have already been doing those programs with us, and we want the larger public to know about this so that there's more awareness and there'll be more people like us doing it for our senior citizens.
How do the senior citizens come and register?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
How do they register?
So to register, we have two numbers that we've shared on the links. They can simply call Rochelle or Raisa or even directly come and connect with us. And we will help you with the registration process. It's just a small Google form that can be filled online. I would suggest that everyone before registering for this program, they consult their family doctor or a general physician so that we are also aware of your pre-conditions and we can keep that in mind when we are guiding you.